محاضرتنا هذا اليوم هي النيرفس تشو. أخذنا بالمحاضرة السابقة الدايجستيف سيستم، أكملناه الحمد لله. اليوم عندنا النيرفس تشو. Nervous tissue is widely distributed in the body and is associated with the most other tissue. Nervous tissue contain of nerve cell are called neuron. Neuron are functional units for nervous tissue that modified to receive and transmit stimuli. Nerves or neurons are associated with the other cell called neuroglia. Neurons and neuroglia constitute nervous tissue. That means the nervous tissue consists of neurons and neuroglia. The function of the neuroglia provides protection, nutrition, and structural integrity of nervous tissue. Ganglia are collection of nerve cell body located outside the central nervous system. That's mean collection of nerve cell body without dendrites located outside the central nervous system, outside the brain and spinal cord. The nervous system consists of two parts: central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system consists into two parts: spinal cord and brain. And peripheral nervous system consists into two parts or three parts: nervous ganglia and peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The peripheral nervous divided into two parts: cranial nervous and spinal nervous. The autonomic nervous system functionally divided into two parts: sympathetic and parasympathetic. Autonomic nervous system, it is related to the control of smooth muscle and secretion of some glands and modified of cardiac rhythm. Its function is make adjacent the certain activities of the body to maintain the constant internal environments of body. Functionally, the autonomic nervous system divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic. Structural nervous system consists of two cell types in general. Nervous cell are called neurons, and several types of glia cell. The nervous cell or neurons, which usually show numerous long processes, and glia cell have short processes. إذا عندنا neurons have short, numerous, long processes. That difference from glia cell that have short process. The function of glia cell supports and protects neurons and participates in neural cavity and neural nutrition and defense process of central nervous system. In addition to glia cell, there are Schwann cell. Schwann cell, which are supportive cell within peripheral nervous system. That's me. Glia cell found in central nervous system and Schwann cell found in peripheral nervous system. Glia cell that's found in the central nervous system are 10 times more abundant in the mammalian brain than neurons. They surrounded both cell body and their axonal and dendritus process that occupied the interneural space in central nervous system. The neuron or nervous cell are functional units of nervous tissue. That is, neurons. These cells are specialized to receive and communicate information as impulses to other parts of the nervous system. Even nervous functional units of nervous tissue. And this cell specialized to receive and communication information, impulse to other cell to the nervous system. This function of neurons. The structure of neuron or nerve cell consists of a cell body and protoplasmic process. Either cell body, that is cell body, called pericardium or soma. Part 2, protoplasmic process, which consists of number one axon, that is axon, and dendrons or dendritus, that is dendron, dendritus, and dendron. Cell body of nervous cell or pericardium or soma. The features of cell body: the pericardium formed by nucleus and surrounding cytoplasm. That is, contain a nucleus. This is nucleus and cytoplasm and surrounding cytoplasm. Pericardium is large up to 135 micrometer in diameter. That's shape depends on the number and orientation of cell process. Shape of cell body depended of number and orientation of cell process. For example, being globular in pseudo unipolar cell, elongated and spindle in biopolar cell, varying from stellates to pyramidal to globular in multipolar cell. In this figure, the biopolar cell show elongated and spindle. The pseudo unipolar neurons globular, and in the multiple neurons varying from stellate, pyramidal, or globular. This shape of stoma. In most nerve cells, the nucleus is large, up to 20 micrometer in diameter, spherical and central, situated in the stoma or in the soma. This nucleus that's located in the central of soma and spherical shape. Centrioles are not prominent in the nerve cell. Nerve cells are incapable of cell division. But why nervous cells are incapable of cell division? Because it don't have centrioles. The centrioles function help to division of cell. The centriole is a cylindrical organelle composed mainly of protein called tubulin. Cell body contain mitochondria, large Golgi apparatus, arranged as a network around the nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and free ribosomes that appear with light microscope, and basophilic area called nasal body. Lysosome, microtubules, neurofilaments, vessels, and inclusion. Inclusion contain melanin, lipofuscin, iron, and